So this video is just to start talking about functional programming. So some of the exam questions that you might get. So this is an A-level question about functional programming. It's telling us that we've got a function named square, which is defined this way. So x equals x times x, which I think we'll all agree is going to make square. And we've got three lists. We've got A, B, and C. List A has got three numbers. They're all integers. List B has got four numbers, and list C has got three numbers, and they're all just lists of numbers. So the first question asks us about list processing. So rather than this just being a functional bit of programming, it's about list processing only. So we've got heads and tails of lists. So the head of a list, if we've got list A, is 1, 3, and 5. So the head of the list is the first item in the list. So the head would be 1. And the tail is the whole of the rest of the list. So the tail would be 3 and 5. So in this case, we're applying tail twice to list B. And list B, the first time we apply tail and ask for what it is, it will be 5, 10, 15, because that's the whole of the tail of the list. And then if we apply tail to that, we'll be applying it and ending up with 10 and 15. And so the head of that resulting list will be 10. So if I just pull that out here, I've got 1, 5, 10, and 15 in my list. If I obtain the tail of that list, I get 5, 10, 15. And then if I obtain the tail of that list, I get 10 and 15. And then if I ask for the head of the resulting list, I get 10. And so the answer is 10 for that particular question. The answer is 10. So this is about just processing lists. So often they'll give you this kind of question where they're asking you to find the head of a list after you've done several tails, and that's quite a common question.